Is your Xbox showing a black screen, no signal message, or flickering video when you plug it into the TV? Chances are your HDMI port is damaged. And unfortunately, that means no gaming, no streaming, and no fun. But here's the good news. At ZapFixers, we specialize in professional Xbox HDMI port repair, done right the first time. Whether your HDMI port is physically broken, has bent or missing pins, or the solder joints underneath have come loose from stress or impact, we've seen it all, and we know how to fix it. Now we get it, you might be thinking about fixing it yourself, but the truth is, DIY HDMI repairs are extremely risky. Modern Xbox consoles use micropins and delicate multi-layer circuit boards that require microsoldering equipment and years of experience. One wrong move, and you can cause permanent motherboard damage, which could turn a simple port replacement into a total loss. That's why gamers across Florida and even across the United States trust ZapFixers. Our certified technicians use high-end soldering tools, clean removal techniques, and OEM-grade replacement ports. Thinking about buying a used Xbox instead? That can be just as risky. Many used consoles sold online or through marketplaces have hidden HDMI issues, like intermittent video, weak output, or ports that are already loose. In some cases, the seller might have attempted a DIY repair that won't hold up, and you'll be stuck paying even more to fix it. That's why repairing your current console with a trusted professional is often the smartest and most cost-effective option. We offer walk-in repairs at our shop in Hollywood, Florida, and we also provide nationwide mail-in service, with fast turnaround and fair pricing. And we back every HDMI port repair with a 90-day warranty, so you can game with confidence. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just expert service, real repairs, and a console that works like new. Don't let a broken HDMI port keep you from your next win. Choose ZapFixers, expert repair for serious gamers. Click the link below to get started.